Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage floor paint options that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 3-in-1 Epoxy Floor Coating by Taple. This budget-friendly option is a great choice for DIYers looking to give their garage floor a durable and professional look without breaking the bank. The standout feature here is the 3-in-1 formula, which combines primer, paint, and a clear coat in one easy-to-apply step. This saves you time and effort, and the self-leveling formulation ensures even coverage, filling cracks up to 1/8 inch deep. The matte, non-slip finish is not only practical, reducing slips by up to 60%, but also UV-resistant, ensuring it won't fade or yellow over time. However, its smaller coverage area, 54 square feet for 2 coats, makes it ideal for smaller projects or touch-ups rather than large garages. While it's fast-drying and walkable within 24 hours, full curing takes up to 7 days, so plan your project timeline accordingly. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and excellent resistance to chemicals and hot tire pickup. On the downside, its limited coverage and smaller package size might not suit larger spaces. Overall, this is a versatile, budget-friendly option for smaller-scale projects or first-time users looking for solid performance without the premium price tag. Coming in at number 4 is the Glidden Grabandgo Porch and Floor Paint. This durable latex paint is a step up in both performance and versatility. Designed for both indoor and outdoor surfaces, it works well on concrete, masonry, wood, and even metal, making it a great all-in-one solution for homeowners tackling multiple projects. Its scratch-resistant satin finish ensures your floor stays looking sharp, even in high-traffic areas. One of the major highlights is its ease of application. It dries quickly, allowing you to complete your project efficiently, and cleanup is a breeze with just soap and water. With coverage of up to 400 square feet per gallon, it's highly economical for medium to large projects. However, it's worth noting that it lacks water resistance, which could be a drawback for garages exposed to high moisture levels. Pros include its affordability, versatility, and scratch resistance. On the downside, it may not be the best choice for areas prone to water exposure. Overall, this is a solid mid-range option for those looking to balance cost and performance while tackling diverse surfaces. At number 3 is the Incel X HTF31009A01 Hot Tracks Paint. This epoxy-fortified acrylic paint is a high-performance option designed to withstand the rigors of garage floors. It's highly durable, offering resistance to hot tire pickup, chemicals, water, oil, and grease. Its low satin finish resists cracking and marring, making it suitable for high-traffic areas. This paint covers 300 to 400 square feet per gallon, making it ideal for medium to large garages. It's easy to apply, and the low VOC formula is a plus for indoor projects. While it can be recoated in 24 hours, you'll need to wait 5 to 7 days before parking vehicles on it. The only downside is its slightly higher price compared to other single-component paints, but the added durability and protection may justify the cost. Pros include its excellent durability, chemical resistance, and suitability for high-traffic areas. Cons include the longer wait time for vehicle use. If you're looking for a mid-range product that delivers professional-grade results, the Incel X Hot Tracks paint is a fantastic choice. The runner-up on our list is the Kilz 1-part epoxy, acrylic, concrete, and garage floor paint. Known for its exceptional durability, this water-based floor paint is resistant to staining, oil, gasoline, and even hot tire pickup. It's a versatile choice, suitable for both coated and uncoated concrete, masonry, stone, and brick surfaces. with coverage of 300 to 500 square feet per gallon, depending on surface smoothness. It's a cost-effective option for large projects. It delivers a smooth satin finish that's easy to clean and resists cracking, fading, and blistering. The quick drying time, touch dry in 2 hours and recoat ready in 4, makes it an efficient choice. However, while the price is not available at the moment, it's generally positioned as a premium product, so keep that in mind if you're on a budget. Pros include its high durability, chemical resistance, and smooth application. Cons include limited availability of pricing information. This is an excellent choice for anyone seeking long-lasting performance and a professional finish for their garage floor. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rustoleum 391281 Epoxy Shield Basement Floor Coating Kit. This is the ultimate choice for those seeking a premium garage floor paint with unmatched durability. Featuring a 2-part, water-based epoxy formula, this product is designed for interior concrete surfaces and delivers a professional satin finish that resists stains, wear, and abrasions. What sets this product apart is its one-coat coverage, eliminating the need for a primer. The kit includes everything you need: activator, base, decorative chips, and instructions, making it highly user-friendly. It covers up to 250 square feet, and while the curing time is longer, 24 hours for regular foot traffic and 7 days for full use, the results are worth the wait. The high price point reflects its premium quality, making it ideal for those who want the best of the best. Pros include its professional-grade durability, ease of application, and complete kit. Cons include its higher cost and limited coverage. If you're looking to invest in a long-lasting solution with a flawless finish, the Rustoleum Epoxy Shield is the top choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.